Have you forgotten or would like to update the password to your Rodentpro account? Just follow these easy steps. From the Rodentpro homepage, click the My Account button located under the Customer Service heading. Next, select the Forgot Password link. In the email address box, enter the exact email address that you used to initially set up your Rodentpro account and hit the Submit button. The site will prompt you to check your email for further instructions. In your email inbox, you will receive an email from noreply@rodentpro.com containing a link to reset your password. Please allow several minutes for the email to arrive. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder or confirm that the correct email address was used. From the email, click the Reset Password link. The link will open a new browser window. Please note the password requirement. The new password must contain at least 6 characters with no spaces. It must contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. Enter your new password in the box, and then directly below that, confirm your new password to ensure it has been entered as you intended. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, click the Update Account Password button. You will then receive a prompt acknowledging that your password has been successfully updated. You can now log in to your Rodentpro account using your email address and newly created password. Please note that you must manually re-enter your new credentials, as this process, for security reasons, does not automatically log you into your account. If you have additional questions regarding this process, please contact our customer service for assistance.